Can you sit? Can you sit? You're gonna do the Superman? The yoga? That's pretty good. That's pretty good, but we want to see you sit. Can you sit? Here we go. Here we go. You're so close. You're so close. You're so close. Oh man, you giving up? You just getting yourself psyched up? You want to try again? Okay. You got the Superman down. You want to sit? That's your crawl? The grip slide? The grip slide? Well, you got the grip slide down, Squeaky. Okay. Now you're going to sit for us, the grand finale? The grand finale? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You're drooling quite a bit, but that's pretty good. Well, okay, we're done.